निषिद्धैरप्येभिः लुलितमकरन्दो मधुकरैः करैरिन्दोर् अन्तश्चुरित इव सम्भिन्नमुकुलः विधत्तां सिद्धिं नो नयनसुभगाम् अस्य सदसः प्रकीर्णः पुष्पाणां हरिचरणयोरञ्जलिरयम्. Okay. The 15th, we finished with the 15th shloka. So Ashwathama realizes that his father is no more. That's all. He still does not have any idea about how his father died. Right? So he talks to Yudhishthira here and says, he doesn't talk directly to Yudhishthira, but he points out to Yudhishthira and he responds by saying, he thinks that he is talking directly to Yudhishthira and he is addressing Yudhishthira here right now. So, ajanmano navitatham, sila samayam and the polamballa abdidane varum. You talk as if that person is in front of you, but you're actually letting out your grief in this manner. So, ajanmano navitatham bhavata kiloktam nadvekshi yajjanam ataha tvam ajatashatruhu tate guru dvijavare mama bhagya doshat sarvam tadekapade eva katham nirastam. How is it that you have, with just one step of saying a lie, or which starts off as a lie, knowing that it is going to be covered by the Bhima's sound and other war cries, still he gets into that, because that is the only way Drona is going to believe that Ashwathama is no more. So in one step you have spoiled your name as a person who does not speak any lie and a person who doesn't have any enemy. In the sense, he has now earned an enemy in Ashwathama. Sutaha Kumara Eshate Matulaha Parshve Sharadvataha Tishtati. So we had Kripacharya entering into the stage, and he looked at Ashwathama and he said, there he is, and he was going to come. So Kumara Eshate Matulaha Parshve Sharadvataha Tishtati. Sharadvataha Vamshe Jataha iti Sharadvataha. So Kripa, whose other name is also Sharadvata, your uncle is standing right in front of you. See, Parshve, at your side. So Ashwathama Parshve Vilokya Sabhashpam. So he looks at his side towards Kripacharya, and with tears in his eyes he says, Matula, uncle, mama, Gato yenadya tvam saharana bhuvam sainyapatina य एकशूराणां गुरु समर कंडू निकषणः परिहासाः चित्राः सततम् अभवन् येन भवतः स्वसुः श्लाघ्यो भर्ता क्वनु खलु सते मातुल गतः. हे मातुल, सह क्वनु गतः, where has he ever gone? Where has he gone? இல்லையா, எங்க தான் போயிட்டார் அவர் அப்படின்னு கேட்குற மாதிரி இங்கே he is describing Drona here in different ways. So first, Gataha yena adya tvam yena sainyapatina saha tvam adya ranabhuvam gataha. With whom? With the Senapati. With that Senapati you had gone to the battlefield today. He, wherever has he gone? Where indeed has he gone? That person with whom, as a Senapati, with whom you went to the battlefield. Adavadhu, he is the Senapati here, and with him you went to the battlefield. Ranabhuvam tvam gataha yaha ekaha shooranam guru samara kandu nikashanaha. He is like the Nikashanaha. Nikashanaha nama touchstone. Like the ஒராய்கல்லும்போ, அது சூரர்கள்லாம் தன்னுடைய அந்த சண்டை போடணுங்கிற ஒரு அரிப்பு இருக்கும் இல்லையோ, அதை தீர்த்துக்கிறதுக்கு உண்டான ஒரு கல்லு ஒராய்கள் மாதிரி இருக்கார் துரோணர் அப்படிங்கிறா. So this is, if you are very itchy, அது something that you have to immediately give attention to. அந்த itchங்கிறது வந்தாலே, even in English you have that expression, it is an itch that takes on, which you have to attend to immediately, which has been there for a long time and you are removing it. it's a kind of not literal அரிப்பு இல்ல நான் சொல்றது அந்த இச்ங்கிற ஒரு சென்சேஷன் in English it is also an idiomatic usage in English.
He was itching to
do something அப்படிங்கறோம்.
something, yeah.
That is, he could not wait to do something அப்படிங்கிறது. So இங்கேயும் இந்த சமர கண்டு, குரு சமர கண்டு, it is an extreme itch to battle, to fight. அதுக்கு வந்து Drona was always like a touchstone where they could try to the moment they came and faced Drona, that itch would be gone because they cannot fight him. He is the best among the warriors here. So Shurana, for all warriors, he was like a person to remove that fighting itch which is there in them, which is extreme. Okay. So parihasaha chitraha satatam abhavan yena bhavataha. Bhavataha, for you who always shared a lot of jokes with him. Parihasaha chitraha parihasaha, that relationship between the brother and the sister's husband is also a very special relationship where they both have a camaraderie which is very beautiful to look at. So he says chitraha parihasaha. There were some very strange, or not strange, or beautiful parihasaha, small jokes that were inside jokes that were between the two of you. Abhavan, they happened. Satatam abhavan, they were always there between yena, between Drona and bhavataha, you. Tadrishaha swashuhu shlagyaha bharta, te swashuhu shlagyaha bharta. So te, your swasuhu, your sisters, shlagyaha bharta, praiseworthy husband, one who is known to everybody. Tadrishaha prasiddhaha bharta, kvanukalu ghataha, wherever has he gone. And he says parikara alankara is there in Tritiya Charana. Sabhiprayakatvat parikara alankara. Ingella. Idu vandu mundina shlokatla. There is ullekha alankara. Ullekha alankara. Atra ekasyaiva dronasya vishayabhedena sainyapatitvadina anekadha ullekat. So ekasyaiva aneka ullekaha, anekadha ullekhanam. Anekai, it can also be many people. Bahubihi bahuda ullekaha can also be one type of ulleka alankara. The same person looks at one person looks at another person, but highlights different qualities in him and identifies him with different qualities. So that is another type of ullekha alankara. There were two types we saw. So here the first one is senapatina gataha. This is the first way of looking at Drona. The next is Shuranam kandu nikashanaha. He removes the urgency that these people have to fight. So the moment they face Drona, they completely decide that okay, we are not at all fit to fight a battle. So that is the second one. So he is like a touchstone. The third one is swasuhu bhrata. Swasuhu bharta. The patihi iti. Okay, so these are the three ways in which Drona is being highlighted by Ashwathama. Kripaha. Parigata parigantavyaha eva bhavan. So he thought he was going to, Kripacharya was going to come and inform Ashwathama about Drona's death. But it seems like you already know that which has to be known. Parigataha nama jnataha. But jnatavyam tvaya jnatam eva. So bhavan parigataha. Here actually parigata parigantavyaha, you are a person who has understood what has to be understood. Tad alam atyanta shokavegena. Don't be don't immerse yourself in sorrow so much. Atyanta shoka avegena. Ashwathama matula parityaktameva maya paridevitam. This is the next phase of the grief. Grief, there can be many stages in grief. First denial, then there is something that you cannot accept it, but you feel helpless there. The next is you get into suicide mode. Adukapro he gets into fighting mode. Parityaktameva maya paridevitam. Paridevitam I have already given up my paridevana, lament. So that has been given up by me. Eshaha aham sutavatsalam tatameva anugacchami. I will follow my father who was very close to his son, who for whom his son was Vatsalaha, who was dear to him. So Tam, who was affectionate towards his son, I will follow my father who was affectionate towards his son. Kripaha Vatsa Anupapannam idrisham vyavasitam bhavadvidhanam. Anupapannam, this is not appropriate. Na yuktam iti, ayuktam idrisham vyavasitam. This kind of an action is inappropriate for people like you. He justifies it by the shloka after this. So this is not correct on your partner, he starts. And then Kumara, alam atisahasena. Suta also says, enough of doing actually a rash action. Suicide is something that is done at that moment, Something happens, something snaps in the brain and they get into such action. So he stops him from doing such a rash, unthinking action. Ashwathama, Arya Sharadvata, Madviyoga Bhayat Tataha, Paralokam ito gataha, Karomi aviraham tasya vatsalasya sada pituhu. He justifies his action. He says, Madviyoga Bhayat, out of fear from separation from me, out of fear of separation from me, that is, he would be separated from me, iti chintayitva. Tataha, my father, itaha paralokam gataha. He went from this bhumi to the other bhumi, paralokam. Karomi tasya vatsalasya pituhu aviraham karomi sada. I will always, not be separated from him. I will ensure that there is no separation for him from me. My father, who was extremely affectionate, tasya vatsalasya pituhu aviraham karomi. Virahaha nama separation. Aviraham. I will not be separated from him. So, which means he wants to follow him in death. So, Kripa says, Vatsa, Yavadayam samsaraha tavat prasiddha eva iyam lokayatra yat putrehi pitaraha lokadvaye api anuvartaniyaha iti pashya. His way of saying is very different. He says, see, this is when someone is wanting to get, do something which is extremely rash, you don't immediately deny and say, oh, what you're doing is stupidity. You cannot say that. So immediately they will follow through with their thought and end up doing that stupid act. But you accept what he is saying and try to turn it into a positive manner. So you always start with what you say is right, not in a patronizing way, but more, try to bring it in a manner in which it is suitable and it is correct also. So Kripacharya also does that. Idella on the psychology inga. No, you never directly stop someone and saying what enna ipdi பைத்தியக்காரத்தனமா பண்ற அப்படின்னு கேட்டோம்னா அவ்வளவுதான். அங்க வந்து it will increase their attitude towards suicide further. So Kripa says, Vatsa, yavat ayam samsaraha. As long as this samsara is present, that is, this world is functioning, in tavat, until that time, prasiddha eva iyam lokayatra yat putraihi pitaraha lokadvaye api anuvartaniyaha. This is a very popular thing. Prasiddha eva lokayatra. Lokayatra nama this the custom. Yatra is more like it is the custom of the loka, of the world. It is a very famous thing in this world that pitaraha, fathers, anuvartaniyaha, they have to be followed by the sons in both worlds, both in bhumi and in paralokam, in swarga. Adhaadu, it is not literally direct following, but he is going to explain what it means. Okay, so yavat ayam samsaraha, as long as this world exists, there is this well-known loka yatra, custom of the world, that but the fathers have to be followed by their sons, whether it is in this world or in other world. If they are in this world, they are being followed by their sons. அதாவது அப்பா பண்றத புள்ள பண்ணணும். You look up to your father and do the actions that your father does. So it is like you are looking up to your father in this world when he is alive. When he is no more, then what do you do? Nivapanjali danena ketanai shraddha karmabhihi tasyopakare shaktastvam kim jivanna kimuta anyatha. When he is no more, you have to follow him in the sense that you have to do shraddha karma and other religious acts, including Nivapanjali Danam. That becomes useful for him. So, is it better if you live or if you die? அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறேன். So, who will perform the Antima Karya? Shraddha Karma has to be done only by the son, and he is the only son here. So he goes appeals to his religious sentiment here, and he says Nivapanjali Danena, by giving that Nivapa Anjali nama the ellum thanniyum solrom illaya, that is the offer of water and sesame seeds after they are no more. So Nivapanjali Danena Ketanaihi refers to other rituals starting from samskara. Inge vandu tam uddishya griha danadibihi iti uktam. So which means griha danam nama bhumi danam, griha danam. There are several danam that you have to give when a person is no more. On the 10th day, 11th day, 12th day rituals எல்லாம் இருக்கிறச்சு அதுல வந்து starting from கொடை சப்பல் எல்லாம் கொடுப்போம். each and அப்புறம் பஞ்சபாத்திரம் சொம்பு என்னெல்லாமோ உண்டு கொடுக்கறதுக்கு. So these are the danam. So ketanam is starting from house. If we can, we give. Otherwise bhumi dana adukku badala you give something else. Suvarnam diyate tatha athava rupyakani diyante அப்படினுடுவா. அவ்வளவுதான். Instead of that, இல்லையா, முடியாதவா அக்ஷத. So Nivapanjali danena ketanaihi danadibihi shraddha karmabihi tasya upakare, in order to tasya upakare, to do some good thing to him, to be of service to him by offering all of these things. Can you do it? Kim jivan kim uta anyatha shaktahatvam. Is it possible for you to do all of these things in his favor? Tasya upakare, in his favor. Is it possible for you to do if you are alive or otherwise? Otherwise, if you are dead. That is, you commit suicide now. Then who is going to do the shraddha karma and other danam, etc. here? Okay. Nivapanjali danena ketanai shraddha karma bihi tasya upakare, dronasya upakare, pituhu upakare, shaktaha tvam. Kim jivanna shaktaha uta anyatha shaktaha, or would you be capable if you are dead? You can't do it. Sutaha ayushman yathaiva matulaha te sharadvataha kathayati tat tatha. அவர் சொல்றத கேளு அப்படின்னு இந்த கூட 4 பேர் ஒத்து ஊதுவா. அதாங்க ஷோ அவர் சொல்றத கேளு அப்படின்பா. இதெல்லாம் வந்து இட்ஸ் வெரி வெரி typical of what happens, when someone has passed away, the other person wants to commit suicide, then immediately there is one person who gives a proper advice at that time. There is another person who will also say, yes, what he says is right. Yathaiva matulaha sharadvataha kathayati, just as how your uncle Sharadvata is saying, tat tatha, that is how the world is. Just understand, you cannot be of any help if you are no more. Now, Ashwathama says, Arya satyameva idam. It's true. What you are saying is true. Kintu ati durvahatvat shokabharasya na shaknomi tata virahitaha kshanamapi pranan dharayitum. Ati durvahatvat, because this shokabharam, this heavy grief that I have, it is very difficult for me to carry it. I am unable to bear this grief. So shoka bharasya durvahatvat, because of the nature, அதாவது அத ஷோகத்தினுடைய பாரத்தை தூக்குவதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்குங்கிறதுனாலங்கிற துர்வகத்வாத்துங்கிறது அது பாவவாச்சியா இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் தட் சோக பாரம் விச் இஸ் தட் இட் கெனாட் பி borne so easily. யாராலையும் அதை வந்து வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் டு பேர் இட் இல்லையா. ந சக்னோமி தாத்தவிரஹிதः அஹம் க்ஷணமபி பிராணான் தாரயித்தும் ந சக்னோமி. It is not possible for me to hold on to my life even for a moment being separated from my father. தத் கச்சாமி தமேவ உத்தேசம் யத்ர ததாவிதம் அபி பிதரம் திரக்ஷ்யாமி. So let me also go to that place where I will be able to see my father who is of that state. Tathavidam pitaram, of that state where I can get to see, it is possible for me to go and see my dead father. I will follow him and I will go to that place. Uddesham. Uttishtanna, he stands up and khadgam alokya vichintya. He takes up his sword and looks at it and thinks. Kritam adhyapi shastragrahana vidambanaya. இதை வச்சுட்டு இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறேங்கிறான். இனஃப் ஆஃப் திஸ் விடம்பனானா ஒரு மாக்கரி. It's a mockery to carry this weapon even now. Adhyapi. That is, my father is dead. I couldn't do anything with this weapon. So it is useless. It is actually a mockery that I'm having this weapon right now and doing it. வேடிக்கையா இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறான். இதை வச்சுட்டு என்ன பண்ண போறேன். Bhagavan Shastra. He looks at his sword and he addresses the sword right now. He says a shloka here. Grihitam yenasi.
One second. That Shastram is Napumsakalingam. Bhagavan is Pullingam.
இருந்துட்டு போட்டுமே.
பரவாயில்லையா?
பரவாயில்ல. அது இருக்கலாம். அது வந்து யூ கேன் ஹாவ் அது என்ன குணஹா ஏதோ ஒரு இடத்துல வருமே வரம் இந்த மாதிரி நித்ரா வரம் அபிரிச்சது அப்படின்னு இருந்தா நித்ரா இஸ் ஆல்சோ நியதலிங்கம் ஸ்திரீலிங்கம், வரம் இஸ் ஆல்சோ நியத லிங்கம், தென் இட் கேன் பி அட்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸ். அங்க சஸ்திரம் வந்து இதுதானே நபும்சகலிங்கம் ஒண்டிதானான்னு பார்த்துக்கணும். That is also
Bhagavan can be in Napumsakam, but they didn't use it like that.
Can it be in Bhagavati? Bhagavan undu. Pullingam Napumsakalingam rendume undu. Okay. Both are possible. Shastram astra atha astriyau. That's all. It is only astri padam, so which means it can be used both in Pullingam and Napumsakalingam. Bhagavan Shastra Grihitam yenasihi paribhava bhayat nochitamapi prabhavadyasya bhut na khalu tava kaschin na vishayah parityaktam tena tvamasi suta shokan natu bhayat vimokshe shastratvam ahamapi yatas swasti bhavate iti utsrijati. He drops his weapon saying this shloka. Grihitam yenasihi yena परिभव भयात नोचितम अपि न उचितम अपि येन गृहीतम आसीहि. You were taken by Drona even though it was not appropriate for him, yet he took you. The Drona took this weapon for fear of insults, அதாவது பரிபவ பயாத் ஆபத்காலே பிராமண சஸ்திர கிரகணம் இருக்கு. there is a rule or shastram that ஆபத்காலே brahmana can take weapons. So he took up that weapon for apatkalam, for survival at that point of time. So paribhava bayat, out of fear of insult, nochitamapi, even though it was inappropriate, he is still yena grihitam asihi, by whom you were taken up. Yasya prabhavat tava kaschit vishayah na iti na abhut. There are two nas here. Okay. Yasya prabhavat kaschit tava na vishayah na khalu asit. It was not there. Na abhut irukano. Inge vandu asit nu potrukar anvayatla. Yasya prabhavat, by whose effort or by whose greatness, Drona's prowess, by whose valor there was nothing that could not come under your blade. அதாவது உனக்கு எதுவுமே விஷயமாக இல்லைன்னு இல்லை அப்படின்னா சர்வமபி தவ விஷயா ஜாதா லோகே யஹா யஹா வீரஹா ஆசீத் ச சர்வோபி அஸ்ய கிருபணஸ்ய விஷயः एव आसीत्. So it was easy for, there was nobody who could stand in front of him and fight. So everybody could be defeated by this sword because of Drona's prabhava. சரியா? So yasya prabhavat kaschit vishayah api tava na asit iti na அப்படி அன்வயம் போட்டுக்கலாம். தேன தாத்ருஷேன துரோணேன துவம் பரித்யக்தம் அசி கதம் சுதசோகாத் நது பயாத் பரிபவ பயாத் கிரஹீதம் ஆசீத். You were taken because he feared insults, but at this point you were abandoned not out of fear but out of that grief towards his son, that he, when the moment he heard that his son is no more, immediately he left his weapon. Tvam parityaktam, so tvam parityaktam asi. ஆனா இங்க ஃபுல்லா வந்து he is talking about shastram in napumsakalingam இல்ல பரித்யக்தம் கிரஹீதம் இது தத் பயாத் விமோக்ஷ்யே சஸ்திர த்வாம் அஹமபி யதஹ ஸ்வஸ்தி பவதே. ஸோ யதஹ பவதே ஸ்வஸ்தி அஸ்து யஸ்மாத் காரணாத் பவதே ஸ்வஸ்தி அஸ்து. திருப்பியும் ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு சப்ஜெக்ட் யூ டு ஃபர்தர் ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ நீ நன்னாரு அப்படிங்கிறோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ மே யூ பி ஹாப்பி ரைட் நவ். ஸோ யூ டோன்ட் நீட் டு வரி அபவுட் இட். விமோக்ஷியத்வாம், I let go of you ahamapi, just as how my father let go of you, I will also let go of you right now. I don't want to use you anymore. இது ஸ்வஸ்தி பவதே, may you be happy. நன்னாரு அப்படின்னுன்றது. கிரஹீதம் ஏனாசீஹி, இந்த இடத்துல வந்து பரிசங்கியா அலங்காரா போட்டிருக்கு. ஓகே, பரிசங்கியா அலங்காரம் வந்து ஏகத்திர நியமனம் இல்லையா? சுத சோகாத் பரித்யக்தம் நது பயாத். ஸோ ஏகத்திர நிஷித்திய அந்யத்ர நியமனம் பரிசங்கியா அலங்காரா. ஸோ பய ஆதாரே நிஷித்திய சுதசோக ஆதாரே தத்ர நியந்திரணம். ஓகே, கிரஹீதம் ஏனாசீஹி.
அனுச்சிதமபி I missed it. Is it because he's Brahmana? Anuchitam?
Yes.
Why is
Yes.
that Anuchitam? Okay.
Because he is a Brahmana, shastragrahanam tu brahmanasya na uchitam eva, tadhapi grihitam apatkale tu dharmaha eva, apadharmaha. That's what I say. When there was a necessity, a Brahmana can take up arms. But to continue with that, whether it is allowed or not, I don't know. But since this is Dwapara Yugam, that's okay. Okay, parityaktam tena tvamasi shuta shokat natu bhayat vimokshye shastratvam ahamapi yataha swasti bhavate iti utsrajati. He drops the weapon. nepathye bho rajanaha katham iha bhavantaha sarve गुरोः भारद्वाजस्य परिभवम् अमुना नृशंसेन प्रयुक्तम् उपेक्षन्ते. There is someone who is addressing all the kings there who are ignoring the insult that is happening to Drona. Now this is when Ashwathama realizes that something happened to Drona. Not just death, not just a killing, but an insult that happened before his killing. Right? Bho rajanaha, O kings, katham iha bhavantaha sarve, all of you who are assembled here, guroho bharadwajasya paribhavam amuna nrishamsena prayuktam paribhavam, the insult that has been prayuktam, that has been done to Guru Bharadwaja, which is Drona, by this cruel person, Drishtadyumna obviously. Upekshante, why is it that you are all ignoring? How come you are all ignoring this action that has happened to him? This insult, that humiliation that has happened to him. Ashwathama akarnya shanaihi shastram sprishanna. See, he drops his weapon and then slowly he goes and touches his weapon right then. This is very typical of a Veera. the and the cinema lana pakarche, you'll see, slowly it's like, the time has come for the sword to act, right? So he slowly touches that weapon and says, Kim Guroho Bharadwajasya Paribhavaha. துரோணருக்கு ஒரு இன்சல்ட்டா அப்படின்னு அவனுக்கு ஒரு, இட்ஸ் லைக் அ ஷாக், ரைட்? ஸோ வாட் ஸோ கிம் அத்திர பரிபவஸ்ய, டோன்ட் டேக் இட் அஸ் அன் விசேஷணா ஃபார் பரிபவா. கிம், it is a question. What are you saying? Kim vadata, as if, are you saying, what are you saying? Guroho Bharadwajasya paribhavaha iti. Are you saying that there was an insult, that humiliation that happened to Drona? Punar nepathe. Now, what sort of a humiliation is being described in the shloka right now? Acharyasya Tribhuvana Guroho Nyasta Shastrasya Shokat द्रोणस्य आजौ नयन सलिल क्षालित आर्द्राननस्य मौलौ पाणिं पलित धवले न्यस्य कृत्वा नृशंसं दृष्टद्युम्न स्वशिबिरमयं याति सर्वे सहद्वम्. Drishtadhyumna, after having done, after having placed his hand on Drona's head and cutting it off, he is walking to his tent and all of you are standing there tolerating this insult. Someone is angrily saying this. So, Acharyasya Tribhuvana Guroho Nyasta Shastrasya Parikara Alankara. Immediately we will know so many adjectives are there, and there is a Abhipraya. Acharyasya, he is the guru for all of you present here. Most of the kings have learnt from him, right? So, Acharyasya, how can you bear such an insult for your own teacher that has happened to your teacher? Tribhuvana Guroho, not only that, he is like a mentor for so many people here. He will not just teach only these people, right? He can be an inspiration to so many people. So, Tribhuvana Guroho, also someone who is the best among all three worlds as far as Dhanurvidya is concerned. And at this point, he had placed his shastram, which means he was not going to fight again. The moment someone puts down his weapon, Dharma, Yuddha Dharmam says that you should not fight with such a person. So all three adjectives are said with the idea, with the abhipraya that he was not someone who had to be, who could undergo, who was a person to be insulted in this manner. Adhikaga he says, so Acharyasya Tribhuvana Guroho Nyasta Shastrasya Shokat Nyasta Shastrasya, one who had placed down his bow or weapon out of grief, not out of alasyam or out of cowardice. The difference there, the attitude is there. See, his attitude was that he was very upset here right now that his son was dead. So, Shokat Nyasta Shastrasya Dronasya Ajau, and in the battlefield, in the middle of the battlefield, he was overcome by grief and his eyes, his face was completely wet with the tears that were rolling down his eyes. Nayana Salila Kshalita Ardra Ananasya. Kshalita, it has wiped out his Kshalitam Nale, his face has been completely washed and it is wet with the tears that come from his eyes. Nayana Salila. அவ்வளோ அப்படியே தாரதாரையா கொட்டிருக்காரு. அதான் தஸ்ய மௌளௌ பலித தவலே மௌளௌ, on his head which is palita dhavalam, which is already white, and palitam is indicating old age. So நரையினால வெளுத்து இருக்கு, அது எப்படி அது பலிதம் கேன் மீன் ஓல்ட் ஏஜ், சத்மனா ஜராதான் அது வேற. பலிதம்ங்கிறது நரை, Dhavala is white. So his head which is white because of age inge palithangarthukku. Tasya maulau panimnyasya, having placed his hand on the head of Drona which was white because of age. So adavadhu and the consideration for age was also not there. Nrishamsam kritva, he did such a cruel act, and Ayam Drishtadhyumnaha Swashibiram Yati. He seems to slowly go to his tent right now. அவன் மாட்டுக்கு பண்றதை பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கான், சும்மா நின்றுட்டு இருக்கேங்கிற. சர்வே சகத்வம், எப்படி பொறுத்துக்க முடியும் அதை?
हिंदी சொல்லுவா, मेरे बाल धूप धूप में सफेद नहीं हो गए एम्बा.
ஓ, ஏஜ்னாலங்கிறதுக்கு.
But will it really become white if you stand in the sun for long?
செம்மட்டையாயிடும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்லோவா இட் வில் ப்ராபப்ளி லூஸ் இட்ஸ் பிக்மெண்டேஷன் அண்ட் ஒயிட்டன் குவிக்கர், மோர் குவிக் தென் அதர்ஸ். சக்ரோதம் சகம்பம். நவ் திஸ் கோஸ் டு அஸ்வத்தாமா ஹியர். ஸோ இங்க பார்த்தேன்னா நேபத்யே இது ஸ்லோகம். ஸோ இட் கண்டினியூஸ் வித் அஸ்வத்தாமா ஹியர். கிம் குரோஹோ பாரத்வாஜஸ்ய பரிபவः, and immediately he listens to it as the shloka comes from behind the screen, and then he replies to that. He's with the krodham, sakrodham sakampam cha kripa sutau drishtva. Both of them completely ignored that fact. Marachutala, they hid the fact that he underwent such an insult. So sakrodham with anger and sakampam, abde vandu he is just shaking with that anger right now. Idellame, these are all bhavas here, sattvika bhavas. Khinnamedam, what is this? Pratyaksham atta dhanusham manujeshwaranam prayopavesha sadrisham vratamasthitasya tatasya me palita mauli nirastakashe vyaparitam shirasi shastram ashastrapane. He's just shocked by what is happening right now. Right? Atta dhanusham manujeshwaranam pratyaksham, in front of the people, the manujeshwaranam, the kings who were having bow in their hand. They were not simply spectators there. They were also participants. They had a weapon in hand and they could have stopped the act right then and there. Ana, they did not. It is an accusation towards those people also. So, atta dhanusham, atta yukta dhanusham, those who had dhanus in their hands. Okay, so those kings who had weapons in their hands, atta dhanusham, who were armed with, in front of the eyes of people who were having bows in their hands. Tatasya shirasi shastram vyaparitam, was a weapon placed on my father's head. அதாவது வியாபாரித்தம்னா வீசப்பட்டதான்னு எடுத்துக்கணும் இந்த இடத்துல. அது இப்போ இது அவ்வளோதான் சொல்லணும்.
பிரயுக்தம்.
பிரயுக்தம் இத்தியேவ தத்ர was a weapon used on my father அப்படின்னு, on my father's head. தாதஸ்ய சிரசி, இப்போ everything else is now an adjective to Drona again. Prayopavesha sadrisham vratam asthitasya, prathamam visheshanam. So he had taken up a vow which was equal to prayopavesha. Prayopavesha is leaving the body, getting into meditation and sitting there until your spirit leaves the body. Chaitanyam, until the jiva leaves the body, you are there in meditation with a decision to die. So
வடக்கிருத்தல்னு தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க.
ஆமா, வடக்கிருத்தல். அதுதான் Parikshit did that. Yeah. So for 7 days he
Pisrandiyar Koperenchoran also did it.
ஆமா ஆமா, பிராயோபவேஷம்ங்கிறது அதுதான். They decide that. Actually திருதராஷ்டிரனும் அதுதான் பண்றார். After the war, Vidura, Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, ரெண்டு பேருமே, all of them go. Vidura goes on a kshetratanam and Dhritarashtra does prayopavesham there.
Kunti also will go, right? எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து போவாங்க கடைசில.
ஆமா ஆமா ஆமா, கரெக்ட். எல்லாருமே they go to the forest.
After everybody is dying, அப்ப போய் கடைசில மூணு பேர். Oh my god. Okay.
I didn't get that
Prayopavesha, what it means?
Is it
prayaha nama anashanam, not eating.
Without eating.
Without eating. Upaveshaha nama sitting down.
Facing north.
Facing north is something that is generally done. Okay, because it is swarga. So facing south is narakam. facing north is Swargam. So that is why you are facing towards better worlds and you are giving up your body. So prayaha cha anashane mrityau prayaha bahulyam tulyayoho. These are the other meanings for the word praya. So praya also mean anashanam. Without eating, you just sit down in a meditative posture and sit like that till you give it, the body gives up. That's all, and the pranan gets out of the body.
Did Bharata do the same when Rama was not able, I mean, when he was waiting for Rama to return and
That was
he
supposed to
didn't
be
do
like
that?
that. Yes.
No, that he was
Didn't.
willing to
Really?
jump
Before
into
that,
fire, no?
Hanuman came.
He was
That
willing to
was
jump into the fire.
Into
Correct.
fire.
It was not
Fire. That is not
prayopavesha.
called
It was a vow.
Prayopavesha. Okay.
No,
Huh.
that is not
Agni
called
Pravesha. Okay.
Yes. See, prayopavesham can mean yogenante tanutyajam. You know, how
Okay.
all of the Raghuvamsha kings, yogena,
yeah.
they give up
Yogena.
their body yogena. That is the
Okay.
idea here.
But Prayopavesham will take long time to die.
Because see, you have not even entered into that yoga state. Before that, it is grief that prompts you, not bhakti or dharana dhyana samadhi does not prompt you into prayopavesham. Adinala, see, if it is with the proper steps of Ashtanga yoga, then it leads to moksham. It will not lead to death. Prayopavesha is actually you are forcing. It is a kind of suicide. It is forcing yourself to give up your life. In a more in the manner, not a forced giving up. அதாவது அது வந்து கத்தி வெட்டுப்பட்டு அந்த மாதிரி துர்மரணம் நாஸ்தி தத்ர. You try to make the body decompose itself on its own and the pranan go out. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஆக்ரஹம் there. प्रत्यक्षम आत्तधनुषां मनुजेश्वराणां प्रायोपवेश सदृशं व्रतम आस्थितस्य द्रोणस्य तातस्य then ashastrapanehe, one who did not have a weapon in his hand, tathavidhasya tatasya palita mauli nirasta kashe shirasi. Me tatasya, my father also. First is he was sitting down with the vratam to give up his body. Next, he did not have a weapon in his hand. Third is Ashwatthama was also a very a well-known person there, because Guru Putraha iti karanat, knowing that Ashwatthama will come back with the revenge. If he was someone without any children or anybody like probably Bhishma, then there will be nobody to take revenge on him. Me tatasya, my father, his on his head, Shirasi, which was Palita Mauli Nirasta Kashe, which was Nirasta Kashe, which even superseded the Kasha grass. Grass, there is a kind of grass which grows in the marshy lands, which becomes very white. It is a whitish grass actually. If you search for Kasha grass, it will come up with the whiteness. So either grass or the flowers in that kind of a grass. So my father's head, which has surpassed the whiteness of kasha flowers, palita mauli nirasta kashe, his head which had nirasta kasham because of age, palita. Okay, tatavidasya tatasya shirasi shastram vyaparitam. A weapon was used on the head of Drona, who did not have a weapon in his hand, whose head was also white with age, and he who had sat down with the determination to give up his life. And this happened in front of all of the kings who were holding weapons, armed with weapons. प्रत्यक्षम आत्त धनुषां मनुजेश्वराणां प्रायोपवेश सदृशं व्रतम आस्थितस्य तातस्य मे पलितमौलि निरस्तकाशे व्यापारितं शिरसि शस्त्रं अशस्त्रपाणेः. So Kripa says, Vatsa evam kila janah kathayati. He doesn't want to say yes, that is he witnessed it. He doesn't want to accept that he witnessed it, or maybe he was not even there. I don't know who all witnessed this. Evam kila janah kathayati. This is what people are all saying. Ashwathama. Kim tatasya duratmana parimrishtam abhut shiraha. Is it true? He again wants to, confirm that. Kim tatasya duratmana, இல்லையா அதானே ஆமா किं दुरात्मना दृष्टद्युम्नेन तातस्य शिरः परिमृष्टम् अभूत्. शिरः is napunsakalingam, right? Shiras. So parimrishtam abhut was my father's head actually touched by Drishtadyumna right now? Was it true? Sutaha, charioteer, sabhayam, with fear, Kumara, Asid ayam tasya tejo rashehe devasya navav paribhava avataraha. This was the first kind of insult that happened to him. Navaham garche, it's the first time. For the first time, paribhava avataraha, this kind of an insult happened to tasya tejo rashehe devasya. Happened to that Drona, who was a heap of light, tejas, lustre. So Ashwatthama breaks down again and he says, the fresh grief. Sometimes you think you are over grief and suddenly you come up with some object of that person and without even realizing, there will be a gush of emotion that comes out and you'll start crying. No? This is still fresh. So it's not after a long time, but it can happen even after several years too. Sometimes it can happen. Ha tata, ha putra priya, one to whom who is very affectionate towards your son. Mama banda bagadeyasya krite shastra parityagat tathavidena kshudrena atma paribhavitaha. Mama manda bhagadeyasya krite, for the sake of me who am unfortunate. It's because Ashwatthama feels that he did not have a good fortune. If he had a good fortune, then he would not have, இந்த மாதிரி ஒருத்தர் வாயில பூந்து புறப்பட்டிருக்க மாட்டானோ இல்லையா, he would not have been the cause for his father's death. So shastra parityagat, you let go, you abandoned your weapon for my sake. Tathavidena kshudrena, by that neecha, by that really evil person, lowly person. Atma paribhavitaha, you were insulted. An insult was caused to you. Atma, he is addressing his father here. So Atma. Athava. At the shlokam, we'll start the shloka next class. Yeah. Okay.